Bloody brilliant, people.
Cái này là ở trên của dưới quê kìa. Mỗi chỗ này thì nữa này.
Not that I'm looking, people, but I think I saw a bricky's crack. Maybe you call it a boat builder's crack. I don't know. But they're not overweight over here, so it's not much of a crack. I'm not looking. It's just freaking, if it's in the front of you, what can you do? You gotta make a comment. I will fault them on something though. You know the saying, measure once and cut twice? They never do it. They measure like 17 times. They bring the laser level in. They bring the laser level in on another angle. Everything's bloody... And then they cut and weld. I think I might be learning something here. Got an idea, people. I wonder if they can put me in a sling and put me up there so I can get some bird's eye shots, because the drone, I'm out of batteries because all the batteries exploded. But I need some good overhead shots. I wonder how OH&S will react to that. Maybe it's a bit different in Vietnam. What do you normally say?
Sailing into freedom.
No, you normally say
Subscribe.
Hi people! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to ring that bell over here.
Bên em nhá. Bốn đất thì bên đây. Đâu có đâu. Rồi. Tính đến đây quá đủ số chân nhá. Cưng. Đi. Được. Đây nha. Cái cái này. Cái lớn nó thôi. Đây cái lớn đó. Được chưa? Được chưa? Đâu vậy? Hả?
Now that I've mentioned boat builder's crack, don't be looking, people. I think that's most of the frame. Now we just got to do the stringing. I could be wrong. I'm going to check out that plan. And today, yes, I still got a crooked head. There's nothing wrong with the helmet, people. It's the head that's underneath the helmet. It's not a reliable substrate. Done, people. Done for the day. Just beautiful. Okay, we're just talking about holidays here. Nice hat there, Jeffrey. What's the holiday situation in Vietnam? What do you do?
So in Vietnam, for every year we have only around 1 week. That one they follow. That's one the regulation from the government.
Right.
But normally our guy in Vietnam, that's one they want to off 1 week before and 1 week after. That's one.
That's if you work in a big company.
Yeah, for the big company. But also that's one need to be submitted for approval. But normally they want off 1 week before and 1 week after holiday.
But normally, as a Vietnamese, you only get 1 week holiday a year. Is that
Yeah. Only 1
it?
week for the 10 holiday.
Do you have any other holidays?
Yeah, we have some. Yeah, some more.
Oh, you do have some more holidays.
Yeah. It's been every some month. That's when we have only 1 or 2 days off.
Okay.
That's when we still pay salary for that one.
And a special thanks to the patrons, because without you, there is no freedom.
If you'd like to be a part of the project or crew, then come and join up as a patron. Nearly all the rewards are trying to get you onto the boat, either for a day sail, a weekender, a week or 2 holiday, or for the ultimate experience to join us on one of the legs of the Elcano Challenge. There are wonderful places all around this beautiful world that you could come and visit me and the crew to kick back and see what it's really like.